In construction, sustainability isn't just about materials, it's about mindset, innovation, and partnership.
So we're here at the Dakota Hotel in Newcastle, a project what demonstrates how innovation and teamwork come together to construct sustainably.
And it's a perfect example of how the right roofing system can reduce embodied carbon, enhance biodiversity, and create lasting value.
At ICO, we set out to reimagine waterproofing, not just to protect buildings, but the planet too. That's how ICO Permatech Li was formulated. A next-generation hot melt membrane that delivers a carbon reduction of over 50% than our standard product. We've incorporated biogenic materials that actually lock in carbon for the lifetime of the project. This is a real game changer for low-impact construction.
Our job was to install a 261 square metre roofing system with ICO Permatech Li, ICO Enotherm insulation, and a sedum green roof, all on a riverside site exposed to high winds. Early wind modelling indicated that the lightweight sedum blanket would not meet uplift requirements. So we worked with ICO's technical team to develop a tailored solution that maintained biodiversity and enhanced structural performance. It's a small detail, but it went a long way towards proving that sustainability and performance can go hand in hand.
What really made this project stand out was collaboration. Both BriggsAmasco and ICO share a culture that takes decarbonisation seriously. It's part of our DNA.
Absolutely, BriggsAmasco is committed towards achieving net zero by 2050, and that's not just a goal, but it has real-life targets. Already, we've switched to electric hot melt machines, e-torches, and we've installed solar panels at our head offices. And we are dedicated towards training every single staff member in carbon literacy. Even on this project, our apprentices were hands-on from design to delivery, gaining real-life sustainability experience.
We're continuing to expand the LI low-impact range, re-engineering more of our systems to cut carbon and support circular construction.
And together, we are proving that innovation, responsibility, and craftsmanship can reshape the future of roofing.